add oil to the water. But oil and water don't mix up. Now let's do the magic by adding colors. What is that color?
Orange.
Orange.
Red.
Red. And
Blue.
blue. Very good. Wow, something is happening. Dashwant, observe. Wow. Magic.